Ask yourself right now, what's your target gross profit margin in your shop? And do you know the gross profit margin of every job that left your shop last month? Do you know what the national average is for gross profit margin in the body shop industry? And is your shop exceeding or meeting that average?
Today's video is all about job costing in the body shop, why it is critical to your operation, and how CC3 has become the strongest, fastest, and quickest job costing management system available anywhere at any price.
The national average for gross profit margin in a body shop is between 40 and 45%. And the only way to track gross profit margin is to know what your costs are, and that includes your shop. The only way to track profit and gross profit margin is with a tool, a powerful job costing tool that's efficient, allows all your people to work together, and makes it simple. The CC3 management system is just such a tool.
Now, let's look at the most important screen in the CC3 management system, the closeout screen. It's easy. From the main menu, call up any RO and hit F6 close. From here, we see the sales revenue by each department counted with the costs, which gives us a profit margin department by department. And then the most important single number in controlling any shop, the gross profit percentage of the entire job. It's quick, easy, and efficient to use. See how CC3 makes job costing easy on the eyes with color-coded print and easy-to-read text? Those other guys have it all mixed up with difficult-to-read screens and small text. With them, you lose your important numbers in a field of gray and pull-down menus. CC3 is clear and easy to see and use. In this particular example here, we see that the profit margin on parts is too high at 45%. The profit margin on labor is too high at 75%. And looking at this number here, our gross profit percentage is also too high at 63%. Remember, our target for gross profit percentage should be between 40 and 45%. The system is telling you something, that perhaps you haven't posted all of the invoices and that the labor for paint still needs to be posted. Posting an invoice is easy. Double-click on Parts Cost, and we can see all of the invoices already posted here. Now, let's say, for example, we see that we've forgotten to post the invoice for the headlamp. I'll just post it here quickly. Similarly, I will post the time for paint. Be sure to check out our more detailed video about posting time and managing your shop's payroll. Now, moving back to our example, we see that the parts profit is now in line at 30%, that the labor profit is also now in line at 65%, and that the total gross profit is actually not in line at 51%. The system could be telling you that you might be missing an invoice, or perhaps you've lost an invoice, which can cost you a lot later. Sure enough, if we look closely, we see that towing has a sale posted, but no cost for the tow bill. Losing a tow bill could be bad for your shop, especially if you fail to charge the customer for the tow bill before they've left the shop. And once the car's gone, almost typically too difficult to collect after that. CC3 controls and organizes all of those details for you. Now, see how quickly the tow bill is posted in just a matter of seconds. And all is posted to our integrated accounting system as well. I can tell you right now, whatever software you're using, it is not as fast as CC3 at posting. No QuickBooks to slow you down here. And there you have it, a perfectly balanced and costed job that you as the shop owner now know has been correctly billed to the insurance company and the customer before the car's even left the shop. It's fast, easy, and efficient. Now, to finish this demonstration, let's take a look at the reports off the main menu. We'll open up the 59 report, which shows you all your jobs for the week or month summed up. CC3 makes all of these numbers fast and easy to read. And this screen even looks similar to the F6 close screen within the RO itself. With CC3, the right hand and the left hand work together, unlike the other guys, whose software is not as fast and efficient. I can tell you right now that whatever software you're using, the guy who wrote the report screen is not the same guy who wrote the job costing screen, which makes it difficult to use. Not fast, friendly, and efficient like CC3.
In the end, a correctly built job costing system allows you to track every single cost on every single job, which allows you to know everything about your company, about its costs and profitability, which in turn allows you to regulate things and watch things like which insurance companies are most profitable to you, whether your employees are ripping you off, whether you're controlling your materials and your parts correctly, and whether you're maximizing your profit potential in your shop.
Bottom line is that without proper job costing, your ability to compete in the body shop industry is seriously in question. It's just too competitive to not have control over the cost of your shop and the cost of each job.
As you can see from this quick demo video here, CC3 is the easiest to read, quickest, and most powerful job costing system for body shops available anywhere at any price. Why would you do it any other way? Please contact us today so we can discuss with you how to deploy CC3 in your shop at your earliest convenience so that your shop can reach its full potential.
I'm Cassie Fastabend.
And I'm Stuart McCall, the president of Combined Computer Technology.
Thanks for watching.